Hi, this is Zen the Crypto Queen, and I had a request to talk about Bitcoin now, right now, and Bitcoin in 2024. So let's take a look at the charts just for the heck of it. And I know there are people who are into stocks and everything out there. I get texts from them all the time saying, charts are different in stocks and they are here. Yes, and this is a much riskier investment, and it's been around since 2009, not forever, or as long as stocks. So you can't exactly expect the markets to correlate, although it's interesting. We'll get into that on another video. That's more geopolitical. I am going to talk about just Bitcoin now and Bitcoin in 2024 for right now. Okay. So this is the 1 day chart. And let's see, what did it dip to today? 65. Let's take a look at the 7 day. Okay, so 65, 65, 68. Let's look at 1 month because things are interesting in the past month. But you know what's really fun is let's take a look at a year. Look at where we're at right now. And you know where a lot of people bought in? At least a lot of people that I know. Or converted other crypto that they held into Bitcoin. Now, I had some Bitcoin, but things started heating up right in here. Let's see. I think it was, yeah, right in here. So that's January. Because a lot of stuff always happens in January with crypto, you know. And I base this on 2017 when 2017, or actually 2016 in December. And we can go back to all chart. But it went up to 16,000. Isn't this funny now? And then in January, it tumbled to, I think it was 4,000, right? And so I told a friend who had bought it 16, just put it on a ledger and let it sit for a few years. And, it came back, it well came back. But, 2.5 years later, it's not bad for doubling down, right? So, okay, anyway, we're at 41. Right around in here, I started getting interested again. And I went, what the? And so I put some words out to people I know in the crypto community who, they're fairly large. We chit chat from time to time. And they said, oh, it was right in here. Right here. Yeah. Because the word to me was, if it dips somewhere around 41, 40,000, wouldn't be a bad thing to jump in on. Okay, so I moved some money. And then a couple of weeks went, or a week, or let's see, yeah, about a week went by. Okay, and I saw this, and I went, you know what? Kind of missed that dip to 41, didn't I? So I started just doing some dollar cost averaging, and I think I hopped in here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and just below, yeah, I think my last purchase was right around here. So, when you look at an average of what I've spent along the way, even at 68, it's still just fine, right? But I pulled it up before. Let's see if I can grab it again. Okay, it's not going to react because I'm recording. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now, Jimmy Boss, I don't know who this dude is, and he's probably posting on Twitter or something, but I'm expecting a strong uptrend. Bitcoin has accumulated enough between 63 and 71K. True. Now we should aim for the 80 to 90K range. Just do it already. I'm saying the already part. But I agree, and I think it's going to go there, and it's going to hover in that range, and it'll probably be 81 to 93 or vice versa, and then we're going to see another run. I think that's just the way that this is going to run. Let's take a look at the all chart. Okay, so let's see. When did I stumble on Bitcoin? Let's see. I think I bought my first Bitcoin somewhere in no, 2000. Yeah, right around here. It was 320 that day, so it must have been I don't know, 1110, 1112, 2013. Yeah. Imagine if I had just bought that and held that. But look at what happened. You know, you're around here, peaks up a little bit. Yeah, this was 2017. And then it went down to, it went more than half, right? So, you know, there's a lot of volatility. And, you know, if you're not up for risky investing, it's one thing to just observe, and it's another thing to say that crypto, you know, is a scam. It's not. It's proof of, Bitcoin is proof of work. It is the granddaddy of all crypto. Just my opinion. Okay. And it is. It just is what it is. Okay. Satoshi's, whatever you want to call it. Okay. And then there's Ethereum, which is the grandmother. And, you know, the Ethereum's doing all kinds of things, and they're involved in some stuff that I don't know that I want to be involved in at this moment. But let's take a quick look at, oh, what did I do? Let's go back. Let's take a quick look at Ethereum. Ethereum's at 33, 32. Okay, well, I think I bought mine at, I don't know, 1200, somewhere around there. So I'm just going to hold. But look at the charts today. You know, I mean, does it look like a bull market? So no, everybody's freaking out. Today might be not financial advice. I'm simply sharing what I'm doing. I might pick up some more XRP at this point. I don't know yet. Maybe. AVAX and Cardano. Maybe. I should do a separate video about that, because what I was going to talk about was Bitcoin now and Bitcoin in 2024. So, yeah, let me get back here for a second. And whoever Jimmy Boss is, I mean, I just happen to agree with him. I just happen to find that when I clicked on this for whatever reason. But you know, some of the word that I've heard out there, it's on a very strong uptrend. Okay, I can't price predict, because if everybody knew what the low was and what the high was between any span of time, you'd have to be a time traveler, right? And there's just no way to know the low and the all-time high. Okay, so what you have to do is take a look at what your goals are and figure out, okay, from the amount of money that I've invested in this crypto, what do I expect to make on it? 20%, 50%? Where do you jump out, or where do you take 10% and move it into either other coins or into fiat currency? And you got to watch that, because that triggers a taxable event. So I'm going to leave it right there. My price prediction is 100K plus. And I'm going to say that's probably going to happen. Let's see, we're in early April. I'm going to say by mid-July. Could happen a little later. I don't think any sooner than that. But definitely by the end of 2024. And again, not financial advice. Please don't go buying anything based on my words. I'm just sharing what I hold, what I do, and what I plan to do. Okay? And on that note, thank you all for being with me. If you like the content, please hit subscribe, give it a like, thumbs up, all that, because that really helps with algorithms and it helps grow my channel, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.